情。
At the ITTF Men's and Women's World Cup Macao 2026, this was one of the best matches of the tournament. Wang Chuqin versus Darko Jorgic. Final score 4-3, 11, 4, 9, 11, 7, 11, 9, 11, 12, 10, 11, 6, 11, 8. At the start, Wang Chuqin looked in full control. He took the first game easily, strong, fast, dominant. But then everything changed. Darko Jorgic raised his level, more pressure, more quality in the rallies. He won 3 games in a row. Now Wang Chuqin was down 1-3. Very dangerous situation. This is where many players collapse, but Wang Chuqin did not. He stayed calm. He kept fighting, point by point. 5th game, 12-10. This was the key moment. He survived. Then confidence came back. 6th game, 11-6. 7th game, 11-8. Comeback completed. This match shows one thing. At the highest level, the difference is not technique. It is the ability to survive when you are close to losing. Wang Chuqin nearly lost, but champions find a way, and this is why this match is one of the best of the tournament.
首先恭喜楚钦4比3晋级男单半决赛，一场非常惊险又刺激的比赛，给我们总结一下。
确实赢得非常的侥幸吧，我觉得达克今天的这种发挥依旧非常的出色，基本上在场上其实没有太给自己什么样的空间来去改变局势吧，在之前，但是我觉得他还是在第5局出现了一些心态上的这种波动，出现了一些无谓失误，让自己抓住了那2分吧，可能就是那2分，让自己的心态重新调整到了一个好的位置。
打过了菲利克斯跟达克这2场，其实都是非常惊险的比赛，自己会怎么总结准备明天最后一天的比赛？
其实非常开心，又活到最后一天，但是希望能比上一次要再进一步一些吧。
好，继续加油，谢谢。
祝贺楚钦取得了比赛的胜利，在第2局自己9比7领先的情况下，自己遇到了哪些挑战？
我觉得还是上来5比1、1比0、5比1，感觉打得非常的顺，在顺的当中，还是侥幸保守了一些，然后有一些不专注。今天可能经过昨天的比赛，可能今天上来的这种精神状态并没有那么的集中，在领先了以后吧，我觉得这也是需要后面去好好总结的问题。
在第5局6比9开始逆转之前，2比3，王浩教练叫了一个暂停，当时怎么给你布置的？
其实那一会儿的局面已经非常的下风，自己感觉确实没有办法打出自己应有的这种水平和发挥吧。但是当时也非常的无奈。但是我觉得，比赛来说，他还是有很多的方式方法来去面对比赛，去解决问题的吧。自己后面渐渐的找到了一些好的方式。
谢谢楚钦。
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.